Good medical morning. WWE wrestler Roman Reigns revealed live on Monday Night Raw that his cancer is back. Well, today we're going to discuss likely treatment options and give you a little bit of information about the former WWE Universal Champion. Speaking before a clearly surprised Rhode Island audience, the 33-year-old WWE Universal Champion said his 11-year battle with leukemia will prevent him from competing in the sport until further notice. He said it also means he would have to give up his belt. He said, "My real name is Joe, and I've been living with leukemia for 11 years, and unfortunately, it's back. And because the leukemia is back, I cannot fulfill that role. I can't be that fighting champion, and I'm going to have to relinquish the WWE Universal Championship." For treatment, it's likely that Roman Reigns will receive chemotherapy. Chemotherapy for leukemia often consists of giving several drugs together in a set regimen. Because each medication destroys tumor cells in different ways, a combination of drugs may make the cells more vulnerable to treatment. Common side effects of chemotherapy are as follows: fatigue, hair loss, easy bruising and bleeding, infection, anemia, nausea and vomiting, appetite changes, and constipation. Reigns was first diagnosed with a cancer of blood-forming tissues at the age of 22. He had a successful football career at Georgia Tech prior to it. After his speech, he was met by fellow wrestlers Dean Ambrose and Seth Rollins, the latter of whom was clearly struck by Reigns' speech. Reigns is taking his battle with leukemia public in an effort to raise awareness and funds for research in order to advance cures for the disease, WWE said in a statement. Well, there you go. Click like for Roman Reigns, and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you can get all of our new content as well as any updates about this video. Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Phinergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Phinergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Phinergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.